Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. All candidates claiming to be bona fide residents of Haryana should produce a Haryana resident certificate signed by the District Magistrate, General Assistant to Deputy Commissioner, Subdivisional Officer, Civil of the district subdivisions to which the candidates belong. Stop. Resident certificates in respect of the children, wards, dependents of Haryana government employees who are posted at Chandigarh, Delhi or elsewhere, or in respect of children, wards, dependents of pensioners of Haryana government, or in respect of the children, wards, dependents of the employees of government of India posted at Chandigarh or in Haryana in connection with the affairs of Haryana government, or in respect of children, wards, dependents of the employees or retirees of the statutory bodies, corporations of Haryana established by or under an act of the state of Haryana or a central act and located at Chandigarh, Haryana or outside Haryana should be issued by their respective heads to departments. Stop. Candidates seeking admission in educational institutions including medical and technical institutions located in Haryana may not be required to produce resident certificate if they have passed the examination from a school college situated in Haryana. Stop. For this purpose, a certificate of the principal headmaster from concerned institution where the children wards studies last should be considered sufficient. Stop. The principal headmaster of the institution shall be competent to issue such certificate which should be sufficient. Full stop. Over.